Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Jalissa. Today's video is going to be another favorites video. So today I'm going to share with you guys my favorite dry shampoo of 2021. I love to use dry shampoo because I only wash my hair maybe like once or twice a week. So I'm always using dry shampoo to kind of freshen up my hair, and especially if I work out, you know, kind of just to make my scalp less dirty and less sweaty. So yeah, let's get right into the video. I guess I'm gonna start with the oldest one that I have, which is this one from Amika. This is the Amika Perk Up Dry Shampoo. I'm almost all out. I need to get some more. I mean, I do have a lot of dry shampoo, so I don't think I'm gonna get more, just because dry shampoo lasts me a very long time. I've had this one for a while now, and yeah, I like this one. I'm gonna spray a little bit so you guys can see. This smells amazing. I actually have a mini one right here ready to go for traveling. But yeah, I love how Amika has like a lot of mini sizes like this, so you can just like try before you decide to get the big size. And you can always get like small products like this with the Sephora points from Amika, I noticed, so that's really nice. I just spray a little bit, just like that. As you can see, it does have a little bit of a white cast, but all of these do. I feel like that's very normal for dry shampoo. Immediately it feels so refreshing. I mean, I just washed my hair today, so I technically don't really need dry shampoo because my hair is pretty clean. But yeah, I just shake it a little bit. So I like to use this on my hair and then maybe add some curls or something. I don't think it's too expensive. I actually love Amika hair products like creams and shampoo, conditioner, mask, dry shampoo. They have some really good stuff, so yeah, check it out. So now I'm gonna move on to this one. This is the R+Co dry shampoo powder. So this one's different because it's more of like a powder. I know these are kind of like powders as well, but it doesn't feel as powdery as this one. So let me just show you guys what this looks like. It's literally powder. It looks like baking powder or something. But yeah, just spray a little bit. You see that? Ooh, it's just like very powdery. And yeah, just leave it there for a little bit. Work that in to your scalp. Already it looks a lot better. The white cast is going away. But I really like this one because it's a little bit different. It's fun and it also smells really good. It smells very like fresh. And I'm gonna put a little bit right here too. Yeah, it can definitely get a little bit messy. If you just don't want to deal with a mess, then don't get this one. But I kind of like this one. It feels really good. And look, it like disappears right away. It feels very nice on the scalp. Like your hair just instantly feels a lot more fresh, and it even leaves my hair feeling very soft. You do have to be careful though, because if you travel and you don't have the cap on this, it will get messy. I just went like this, right? And I don't know if you can see, but I already have a little bit of powder on my hands. So if I turn it around, sometimes you will get a little tiny bit of powder. Always keep the cap just in case. It's definitely a little bit more messy, so definitely don't lose the cap, because I lost mine and now I just keep it like this on the table. I definitely like this one more than their dry shampoo paste, because they do have a dry shampoo paste. I'm gonna put a video down below where I do kind of like a side-by-side comparison of the paste and the powder, and I do prefer a powder over a paste for a dry shampoo because the paste kind of leaves your hair a little bit more greasy. So now I'm going to move on to this one. This is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Advanced Clean Dry Shampoo. So this makes my hair very like clean and shiny and also very soft. So I'm going to add a little bit, because why not? Spray a little bit from like pretty far away. Wow, this one's strong. I think I put too much, but it has definitely less of a white cast than this one. And wow, you smell it in the room now. The smell, the scent is just like very strong. Wow, I like it though. And my scalp feels very, very like fresh. I mean, I knew this one was powerful, but wow, like comparing it to the other ones, it smells really nice. It's just a little bit strong. Just gotta shake and then spray from a little bit far away, maybe like 6 to 8 inches away. Then you just wait 30 seconds and then just shake. And immediately you're gonna feel a lot cleaner. It also adds a lot of shine to your hair. I like to use all of these whenever I work out and I feel like my hair is like a little bit nasty, you know. I like to use dry shampoo if I'm not gonna wash my hair, and it just instantly makes your hair feel a lot more clean. It smells better and it just looks better too. So I really like all these dry shampoos, and I really like this one because it adds a little bit of shine. So yeah, this one's a big thumbs up. I also really like this one from IGK. So this is the First Class dry shampoo. I do have to say these are my two favorite ones right now. I like that this is vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free. It feels nice on the scalp. So basically you just shake, spray this on your hair. I think I put too much, but just leave it on your hair for about 30 seconds. This also feels really, really nice. It smells very fresh and it's very powerful, just like this one. So I also feel like the room now like smells super fresh. Then you just kind of shake. I'm gonna add some to the front just so you guys can see that it also adds a lot of shine. Even though that's not how you're like supposed to use dry shampoo, you're supposed to section off your hair. Spray, section, spray, section, and spray. Leave it there for a little bit. I know it looks kind of weird because it's like a little bit white, but it goes away. Just like to kind of like shake my hair a little bit and maybe like brush my hair. I think my hair looks pretty shiny. I mean, it was shiny before adding the dry shampoo, but I feel like the dry shampoo always just makes your hair look a lot better than before. If you guys have tried any of these, let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, this video was very short. I guess it was definitely one of the shorter videos for Vlogmas. But let me know if you guys are liking these types of videos, like favorite shampoo and conditioner of 2021, favorite hair tools of 2021. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys like these videos so far. Subscribe. I have a lot of cool videos coming now for Vlogmas. I have some hair tutorials. I have some clothing hauls. I'm going to be trying some new hair tools, new hair products. But yeah, subscribe. Help me get to 100K. I would love to get there. I've tried a couple of other ones and I feel like these are my favorites. So I'm going to link them down below if you guys want to check them out. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye-bye. Love you guys.